All right, here's our stew beef that we've got. I'm going to put some flour into here so that we can flour it. So I'm going to take my flour and we're going to put a little bit in. It calls for 1/4 cup of flour. So we put that, then we add our salt and pepper. Alrighty, then we're going to get our meat into our pan here, our bowl. Then we're going to toss the meat in the flour and get it coated nicely. Hey guys, Chef Fred, your Pampered Chef consultant here, and we have got the deluxe multi cooker here tonight. We're making a delicious beef stew. Turn the multi cooker on, and we're going to turn it to sear. All right, get our meat in here. Cut our onion in half. Onion cut up. All right, now we're going to pull this up and put to the side. Okay, now that caramelization down here, you see those bits and pieces, that's what we want to give it good flavoring. Now I'm going to add just a touch of olive oil. A little more olive oil. And then the onion that I chopped, I've got on our flexible mat. We can just take it and just dump our onions in just like that. And then we're going to let our onions cook a little bit and get translucent. And then we're going to add some beef stock in here to deglaze the bottom to get all those bits and pieces up after our onion cooks a little bit. Next, I'm going to put a clove of garlic in my garlic press. You just put it in there without peeling it. And it comes right out. And then when you open it up, the skin is here, and you just take the skin right off. And then I put my second clove in. Clean it off, and then that piece that's on the inside right there, the shell just comes right off. There's no need to peel your garlic. So we're going to let the garlic and onions cook a little bit. Not too long, because you don't want your garlic to burn. So you want to just cook it for a minute or two. And then we're going to add 1.5 cups of beef broth. And then what you want to do is you want to scrape the bottom now and get those bits and pieces off of the bottom. And this liquid will help do that. And this is what we call deglazing. A lot of times you'll see it done with wine, but you can do it with chicken stock, beef stock, any kind of stock. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our beef and put our beef back in. Get all those juices in there. And then we're going to get our beef down in the liquid. Because now we're going to take our top All right, so I'm going to cancel, and then I'm going to turn this to the beef. We'll leave it at 35, hold it in till it says run. All right, and then we're going to pressure cook it. Okay, now we're going to release the lid. I'm going to put it in the holder. And then I have some peas and carrots. I've got some frozen peas here. I'm going to put those in. And some frozen carrots. Give that a stir. Now, doesn't that look beautiful? So I'll put the lid back on and let this sit for 3 minutes. Okay, and made me some rice. So I'm going to take a little bit of this, pour over that rice. Now that looks delicious, guys. Beef stew, let's get a bite. That is very, very good. So join me next time and see what we're cooking up in the kitchen. This is Chef Fred saying have a great day, go cook something great, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now, guys.